करें? 5G है, मुझे दिख ही रहा है यहाँ 5G प्लस 5G।
सब कुछ अभी बता दूंगा तो फिर बाद में क्या करेंगे?
तो फिर अब इस बात पे प्राइस बता दीजिए।
Okay, I'll give you only one part. It'll be disruptive.
25 के अंदर होना चाहिए, मुझे बताया गया। चलो,
So you will be very very happy. That's it. Consumer को यही चाहिए. Adoption of foldables and flips is still not pretty much there in India for some reason. That's an interesting question. What AI feature do you use, Manas? तो features बनाने में, डालने में, there are a lot of R&D which we are already working on. There are a lot of input which is going in. Actually gone very aggressive on chipset this year.
इस वाले फोन बता देंगे, आप बताओगे नहीं? फ्रंट से भी दिखा देंगे?
नहीं.
So Anish sir, first thing, very simple question. पहला क्वार्टर खत्म हो गया है 2024 का. What are your thoughts in regards to the smartphone industry? Where are we?
See, Manas, smartphone industry has been pretty stagnant in India. I think last year was also pretty stagnant in terms of volume, and this year also quarter one trend is actually a bit negative. Not the volumes are not increasing, but we are definitely seeing there's a positive movement in terms of ASP. So the demand has shifted in terms of which segment people are really buying the phones. But quarter one was negative, but I think it's more of a stagnant industry right now.
So do you think there's a correlation as to what is being served to the people? And I ask you that because हमारी Digit magazine है, I wrote a column in January. I don't know if you've read it, but I want to show it to you. ये जो मैंने पहले set of flagship phones 2025 के आए थे, when I saw them, used them, and this was my takeaway कि welcome to the year of boring smartphones because बहुत ज़्यादा innovation मुझे नहीं दिखी. I didn't know where we are going. I want to know your thoughts. आप agree करते हो इस चीज़ से? Is this the year of boring smartphones?
I think maybe if you're looking at only flagships, maybe you'll find that. But
Okay.
we try to innovate. We have seen the so-called the flagship phones. We see those changes happening. They just play with the module of the camera and pretty much remains the same. And that's what we've been also seeing.
Okay.
But if you see our journey, last year we tried wireless charging in sub 20K. That was something new which we brought to the consumers. So as a brand, we stand for wherein we try and bring new technologies and we try to give consumers something which people pay a lot for. But in our case, we try and bring it to the masses and probably consumers who don't want to pay that kind of thing, but they can use those kind of technology.
Okay.
So that's what we do, and I think we are doing one such innovation which is called energizing Centec.
Okay.
What does it mean? You should actually ask me.
No, I was trying to process कि energizing Centec कुछ नया I've heard.
So it's like you have a good looking phone and it smells well also.
Okay. So basically आप कह रहे हो फोन के अंदर सेंट है.
Yeah. So it's actually sounds like कि यार ये क्या किया, but it's actually a lot of technology behind it.
Okay.
So micro encapsulating technology is what we call it.
पहले तो आप मुझे बताओगे, आप कह रहे हो ये टेक आप कुछ you put it in the phone. So is it like a concept stage thing? Is it like an actual device?
No. We are bringing it live. So I think with the new launch which we are about to do. So
when is that happening?
18th of April.
Oh,
and you're the first one to know.
Okay. ठीक है.
So that's the new Note series product, Note 50s. With that, we'll be launching this new technology or something new for the consumers.
Great. Coming back to the Cent technology that you spoke about. 18th April को ये phone launch हो रहा है. Phone का नाम क्या है? Note series में है. What is the phone called?
Note 50s.
Do we have that phone? Can you show it to us?
Yeah.
Great. Okay.
So I'll just show you this phone. This is the back cover, and that's the technology which I'm talking about. Maybe you can smell it and feel it as well.
थोड़ा fragrance वैसा आ रहा है, like I can see that. So my just out of curiosity, Note 50s, right? क्या है ये fragrance? Like what is the fragrance called?
The fragrance is aqua fragrance, actually. Pretty well marine is what we call it internally. It's actually a very different technology wherein you put those polymers, scented polymers. So basically scent is put into polymers, and those polymers are engraved into that leather, the pure resin which we put in the back of the panel. So that is put inside, and over a period of time those things start going down, and that's how the scent is released. So those polymers over a period of time they start releasing the whole fragrance, and I think that's how it happens.
तो आपने बोला कि ये जो है vegan leather के अंदर आपने डाला है. So ये क्या leather finish वाले phones के साथ ही possible है या दूसरे variants में भी आ रहा है?
Only leather.
But how many variants of this phone are you launching?
So we are launching only one variant right now. So we are starting with one variant. We want to showcase to the consumers that there's something more to the smartphones. As you said, most of the smartphones are boring. We will add some more to it and see how consumer responds.
Okay, so first of all, देखो, this is the first exclusive look of Infinix Note 50s. जो भी अनीश ने बताया हमें कि it's coming with the Scent technology. This is the first time you are seeing the phone. Front से भी दिखा दूँ?
नहीं.
थोड़ा सा मतलब थोड़ा.
I think it's enough. You bought a big exclusive for the day.
So this color is what you will get. This is called aqua color. इसमें aqua जो है fragrance आपको मिलने वाला है. सर थोड़ा सा और elaborate करें. मैं डिटेल में आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि क्या मतलब क्यों जरूरत है, बिकॉज फोन्स जब हम बात करते हैं, स्पेशली मासेस की मैं बात करूँ, हमेशा हार्डवेयर की बात होती है. यू टॉक अबाउट द चिप सेट क्या आ रहा है, उसमें बैटरी कितनी है, या चार्जिंग स्पीड्स, एज यू ऑल्सो सेड लास्ट ईयर यू फोकसिंग हेवीली ऑन चार्जिंग. आजकल गेमिंग की बहुत बात होती है, गेमिंग परफॉर्मेंस कैसी है. आपको ये क्यों लगा कि यार हमें ना ये फ्रेग्रेंस के साथ खेलने की जरूरत है? डिजाइन में देखा इनोवेशन, वो आपने भी करा है कि थोड़ा ट्रांसलूसेंट बैक एंड डिफरेंट मटेरियल एंड एवरीथिंग, बट व्हाई प्ले विद द समथिंग लाइक सेंसरी थिंग, लाइक fragrance?
See, I think sensory is it's a feel good factor. And when we look at, because a lot of people talk about market research and a lot of people say कि यार consumer को क्या चाहिए. My belief or our belief is consumer does not know what he wants till the time he sees it. You can take examples of EVs of the world. So किसने सोचा था कि अब EV वाली cars आ जाएंगे या scooters आ जाएंगे. आप बोलते customer को कि मेरे को क्या चाहिए scooter में, वो 2 फीचर और बताता. But he would never said that कि मेरे को यार ये चाहिए. So that's what we also believe कि these are new things which can be tried and tested, and I think smelling good, all of us want to smell good.
Yes, of course.
We want to be in that environment. Yeah. And when you have something good smelling in your hand, why not?
I think मैं बोल भी रहा था कि थोड़ा this makes for a very good gift. अगर आप भी कभी ऐसे किसी को gift करोगे and they open and they get the fragrance, so what a good experience.
It's also very mild, so it's not very overpowering kind of smell. It's like an aqua is something which is pretty unisex. Everybody uses it and everybody loves it. So we're trying to see how market behaves and see how consumer loves it. So we have loved it. So
थोड़ा feedback तो आपको यही मिल जाएगा. All our viewers can let us know in the comment that is it something that you would like to spend on. क्या इस तरह के experience आप you looking out for that, and is it something interesting? तो comment करके आप बता देना. So this is one part of it कि चलो इसमें आप Scent technology लेकर आ रहे हैं. What else you can tell us about this phone Note 50s में और क्या expect करें? 5G है, मुझे दिख ही रहा है यहाँ 5G plus 5G.
सब कुछ अभी बता दूंगा तो फिर बाद में क्या करेंगे?
So
I think I'll talk more on what we are we're doing with AI and
okay.
in fact UI as well. Because normally UI/ML we got a lot of feedback last year that we need to improve and we need to create something unique, or probably the optimization of experience. So you'll see we've already started and launched Note 50X. The feedback on UI is phenomenal, and 50S will also have a very similar kind of thing. So that's what we really are doing right now. So there's a lot of customization which is possible. So normally अगर आप competition में देखोगे, this kind of UI you will not even find. You can create your own icons. There's a multiple options. You can create your color options as well. So customization to an extent is pretty much there, and it's too fluid. We have removed most of the unwanted apps which we did last year only. So I think a very clean, optimized UI experience. It's pretty fast, and obviously this year a lot of focus is on making sure we stand out with the right power. So pretty powerful phone as well.
2 questions are मेरे. This is what you've just said. पहला आपने सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपीरियंस की बात करी. Why is it very important for Infinix कि एक अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपीरियंस, not in general भी, क्यों जरूरी है?
See, Manas, when we started and the journey which we are taking now, initially we were not focusing on 15, 20, 25,000, 30,000 phones. When you look at a budget segment buyer, they want a lot of things in their phone. And usage also tells us that. But as you keep going up the ladder, the premiumization or the way phone looks, the optimization of software becomes a necessity. So we want to make sure all Note series, GT series, Zero series, the UI experience is at a different level.
तो आपके बाइंग बिहेवियर थोड़ा चेंज हो जाता है, जो आप सर्टेन प्राइस पॉइंट के ऊपर जा रहे हो तो लोग ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस दे रहे हैं इंडिया में. Is it a change that you have seen or is it traditionally like that?
I think it's evolving right now as we keep moving up, and you were seeing जो आपका पहला क्वेश्चन था कि what is happening in the smartphone market. So smartphone market is changing. The people are preferring to buy more premium phones, or they want to spend more money. They want a better experience. I think that's the shift which we are seeing. And adoption of 5G is actually probably the speed of adoption has given us that.
And the second part of it was जो आपने बात करी कि bloatware या unwanted apps. I mean, let's not call it bloatware, maybe unwanted apps. क्यों नहीं पॉसिबल हो पा रहा है उन्हें कंप्लीटली हटा देना, जबकि इतने टाइम से लोग मांग रहे हैं। आप सोशल मीडिया पे देखो, कोई भी फोन लॉन्च होता है, एवरीबडी इज ऑलवेज आस्किंग कि यार प्लीज गिव मी अ व्हाटएवर लाइक ब्लोट फ्री एक्सपीरियंस, तो वो क्यों नहीं पॉसिबल?
सी हमने तो कर दिया है, सो other companies have to take the call because उसमें I mean
angle
obviously they make money out of it, so that's the only thing.
But आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर वो whatever you're gonna lose or miss out on, maybe you can make it through the sales because customer satisfaction बढ़ जाएगा?
See, I think India is a very tough market and very, very price sensitive. So probably everybody is taking different calls. We want to really scale up in terms of that consumer experience and given a priority कि अगर आप बात करें उसकी तो this OS should be at one of the top 2, top 3. That's our objective.
Okay.
And so that because I think buying behavior will shift not only from hardware to software and user experience or how user wants to use it. That's the core of what we want to do as well.
तो फिर अब इस बात पे प्राइस बता दीजिए। डेट आपने बता दी है, 18 अप्रैल को Note 50s with the same technology लॉन्च हो रहा है। कुछ सेगमेंट
See,
आइडिया दे दो मतलब।
okay,
चलो,
I'll give you only one part. It'll be disruptive.
सर न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू चाहिए बिकॉज यू टोल्ड मी कि आप कह रहे हैं कि आप उस एक कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस पॉइंट पर यू वांट टू गिव दैट एक्सपीरियंस, यू वांट टू ब्रिंग एआई, यू वांट टू ब्रिंग क्लीन एक्सपीरियंस। आप
चलो आपने एक क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ लेता हूँ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक शुड बी प्राइस ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट लाइक दिस होल्डिंग?
जब मैंने पहली बार फोन यूज किया 25 के अंदर होना चाहिए, मुझे बताया गया।
सो यू विल बी वेरी वेरी हैप्ी। आई कैन लीव इट दैट। 20
के अंदर?
या चलो I can give you
15
that.
के अंदर?
That's it.
चलिए, I mean, kind of you to give us at least that. So guys, 18th April, keep an eye on this. We'll be testing this phone. तो Digit पे सारे आपको इसकी जो टेस्टिंग numbers हैं, data है, all of that you will get. और review का भी आप wait करो. That will also come. Okay. Now this is Note 50s done. What else is in store? और क्या करो? 50X अभी आया है. उसके अलावा phones में GT series, one of your best performing lineups. When can we expect that?
So I think from here on it will be we have launched these Note series. After that एक महीने बाद फिर GT आ जाएगा.
तो मई में आ जाएगा?
I'll say June, May or June, anywhere. So we will be ready with GT series as well. There's actually one phone coming after
So
that.
almost
every month till Diwali we'll have one phone. So I think that's what consumer को यही चाहिए.
और जो आप ये मतलब आई एम अज्यूमिंग दिवाली तक 5-6 फोन्स एटलीस्ट दैट यू प्लानिंग टू लॉन्च, राइट? इनके प्राइस पॉइंट्स क्या रहेंगे? बिकॉज थोड़ा सा आप गए, आपने यू स्टार्टेड मूविंग टुवर्ड्स अ डिफरेंट सेगमेंट नाउ, सो आर यू गोना एक्सपैंड इट फर्दर और यू गोना फोकस इन दोस?
I think, Anas, we are playing a very specific thing right now. We are focusing on 10 to, so while we start from 6,000-7,000 with our entry level 4G phone, but we play till 30-35. That's what we play. When we launched Flip at 50,000 plus, that was also disruptive last year. But apart from that, when you look at these phones, that's our playing ground right now, and that's where we want to focus. Wherein we will try and create a very, I'll say, disruptive value proposition for the consumers.
फ्लिप फोन की आपने बात करी, कैसा रिस्पॉन्स था? शुड वी एक्सपेक्ट एन अपग्रेड ऑन दैट एज वेल?
See, Flip is, we got a great response when we started, and I think, but when we look at the market, adoption of foldables and flips is still not pretty much there in India for some reason. So it's more like people want to really have a vanity value and all of that. So that's how they use it. So we are just evaluating whether it is, because it takes a lot of efforts to create that kind of phone.
But आपको ऐसा मतलब क्यों लग रहा है कि इंडिया में क्यों या जनरली क्यों अडॉप्शन नहीं हो रहा है? फोल्डेबल फोन तो सपोज टू बी द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग, ये बड़ा इनोवेशन होने वाला है.
I actually, I mean, you can always tell me because you do more research than I do. So we keep wondering कि ऐसा क्यों है? Because when we look at, you started with the boring part of it.
Yeah.
That's the newness or freshness. There's a trifold which has been launched somewhere, and there's a lot of chatter around it. But कितने लोग खरीदेंगे या people will use it? It all depends.
I think if you ask me, मेरे को लगता है एक तो प्राइस पॉइंट्स haven't come down the way they should have, और जैसा लोगों ने एक्सपेक्ट किया था शायद, क्योंकि जो फोन्स 1 लाख 1.5 लाख पे आते थे वो अभी भी उतने पे ही आ रहे हैं, बढ़ ही रहे हैं, नीचे नहीं आ पा रहे हैं. कुछ जस्ट लाइक इन योर केस सम अटेम्प्ट्स हैव बीन मेड बट नॉट एट अ ग्रैंडुलर लेवल. दूसरा मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं इनोवेशन उस फॉर्म फैक्टर में और नहीं हो पाई, बस वो एक फॉर्म फैक्टर था, वो इट हैज स्टेड द सेम. आई मीन
it's very it's like asking for too much actually, man. उसमें innovation करना, it's already folded, and now you're asking it to be more innovation in terms of form factor. ज़्यादा है.
ओके बट देखो लोग तो मांगेंगे. फोन्स आपने बता दिया मुझे. आई मीन लैपटॉप्स, टेलीविजन्स, दीज आर अदर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट्स फॉर यू, कैटेगरीज फॉर यू. लैपटॉप्स, आई थिंक पर्सनली यू हैव बीन डूइंग अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब. वहाँ पर क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें?
See, laptops and TVs, I think TVs have taken off pretty much pretty well. We are actually doing pretty well in terms of our range and what we are bringing to the market. Google TV ka pura range abhi
Yeah.
we just got it. So that's something which we continue to focus on. Laptops have been, I think till last year was pretty good. We have been trying to see, and now with the new thing wherein we need to really make it in India. Till last year we were importing, now we have to, so we are working out on those details right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So completely out of India बनाने का
हाँ.
plan है. Okay. इसके अलावा कोई और categories इसमें
See,
आपका
we've also launched tablets, हमने wearables भी start किए हैं. So we are right now trying to create an ecosystem story कि once a consumer starts using Infinix, he also gets other products and how he can have a unified experience. That's something which we want to build in.
AI कितना important role play करेगा in that unified experience, because everybody is talking about AI, everything has become about AI. What's your take?
That's an interesting question. What AI feature do you use, Manas?
Very few. I think transcript is one which I use. It's a lifesaver. Not so much on the creativity side. वो image
AIGC,
all of those things.
generative wallpaper.
Yeah, I don't use them a lot.
So I think I think we have close to 10-11 features on the phones which we are just launching. Now it's up for consumer to use what they want to do. Because everything is whatever they see. जो आप फ्लैगशिप्स की बात कर रहे हो, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. सर्कल टू सर्च विच इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड. ट्रांसक्रिप्ट की आपने बात की, वी ऑल ऑफ अस यूज दैट. इवन वी हैव अ कॉल असिस्ट नाउ. यू कैन सेट अप your AI agent to answer your calls if you want to do that. So features बनाने में, डालने में, there are a lot of R&D which we are already working on. There are a lot of input which is going in. But we also want to see how people behave and how people respond to this. One question which actually you have not asked me, because we've actually gone very aggressive on chipset this year.
इस वाले फोन बता देंगे, मुझे आप बताओगे नहीं.
I said 50x.
Okay.
So because I was actually very surprised and I was hoping कि यार ये question पूछा नहीं, because
अब मेरा
I've
focus
been
रहा-
asked that question multiple times कि how can you put a 7300
for
ultimate in that price point.
Yeah.
So that's one thing which we believe we want to create performance first phone, because I think that is one shift we are also seeing in, because people like to multitask, and gaming is something which is becoming very big in India. The gaming movement, the gaming culture is becoming very, very big, and we want to really tap into that culture, and that's the focus which we have as a
How?
brand.
What are the plans to tap into the gaming
So-
market, and where do you see the gaming market go as well?
See, gaming market right now itself is pretty big.
Yeah.
I don't know if you read, there was a recent report which came in. We have close to 573 million gamers in India, as per that report. 573 million.
That is
So that's
lot,
a
big
big number. And it's the surprising part in that report, while 18 to 24 or 18 to 30 forms a chunk of it, but there are people at 30 to 45 also who play a lot of it. Even women gamers or girl gamers are pretty much there. So that's a very interesting piece which we have. And we are actually, X Arena is already there in our phones, and we are optimizing each of our phone for gamers. And we said probably this is the best phone, 50X, which we have launched. So anybody wants to do gaming as one of the key usage, and which normally we see Gen Z is doing it pretty much. So that is the best gaming phone available in the market today, and we can say it confidently.
आप गेम खेलते हैं? Are you a gamer yourself?
I am a real life gamer. But the whole team which I have, probably more youngsters, because I said 30 to 45, so I move up the ladder. But the team which is there in Phoenix, they are all youngsters below 30, most of them. So they are all gamers.
मैंने आपसे पूछा कि मेरे पास मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, which is I mean not related to Infinix, and in general I want to, because I have always been curious about this. I would like to know your take. इंडिया में इतनी बड़ी गेमिंग कम्युनिटी है, इतने सारे गेमिंग एंथुसियास्ट हैं, ब्रांड्स इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं गेमिंग को पॉपुलर करने के लिए, चैंपियनशिप्स हो रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग. डेवलपर्स क्यों नहीं उस लेवल पे स्केल अप कर पा रहे? व्हाई डोंट वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ AAA or lot of any AAA games coming out of India?
In fact, that's a good question. I don't have an answer, but I was checking one of the startups which is doing a AAA. किसी ने gaming अभी announce की है on cricket, AAA gaming. So you're right. I think we don't have that kind of things happening in India, and probably it will be a good thing for us to have it.
Because I personally really want to see that कि जो गेम्स हम लोग ग्रोइंग अप खेलते थे, उस क्वालिटी के भी गेम्स हम इंडिया में अभी भी डेवलप नहीं कर पा रहे 15-20 साल बाद भी. सो मे बी दैट्स वन थिंग
So I actually don't have too much
Yeah,
to
yeah.
really add to that, but I think that's a good question to ask.
Yeah, I mean, I just want to know your opinion personally because आप इस industry में हो,
I
what do you
think, but मेरे को personally लगता है because right now BGMI is very popular in India. Free Fire Max is there, COD is there. So all these games have become like, I mean, everybody you see, all the youngsters, they would be playing one of these.
I think हम लोग खेलने में टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, हम बना नहीं रहे. Maybe we
So
need to
that's
spend
why
more
I'm saying
time
कि
on-
हमने even 50x पे, I mean 90 FPS gaming for Free Fire COD is available. So that's how the capable the phones have become, and that's the direction we want to take. GT anyways is positioned as a hardcore gaming phone, made for gamers, made like gaming phone because it has all the things which
Yeah.
attracts gamers. Ki this is it, but you will see that one constant thing coming across all our series as well. Ki they will see this is the best gaming capable phone across.
Fair enough. Probably the last question. What are the other plans for 2025? क्या expect करें? Some of it obviously आपने idea दे दिया कि laptops में you're looking to make them in India. Television will be a key market. Phones of course. What else should we expect from Infinix as a brand? और आप generally कहाँ देखते हो industry जाते हुए?
Industry will continue. I think this year also we don't see industry moving upwards, in my opinion.
Okay.
Quarter one has not been too great in terms of volumes, and but as I said, probably we'll see value में थोड़ा increase आएगा, but I don't see market moving up in this year as well.
Okay.
And as for Infinix, I think we have started with the 50X and 50S. We are trying to bring really something unique in the market, whatever models which we launch. Each of the segments we will go to, you will see we will stand out. That's something which we are taking as a direction. Gaming is another thing. You will see a lot of focus from our side. So those are the things which we are focusing, keeping the user experience in mind. UI we have evolved. AI is something which we are working on. So yes, we want to really play big in this 10 to 30K. We want to be a brand of choice. That's what we want to do. And all the things which are required to make it happen, yes, we will do.
तो सर ये तो हो गई फोन्स की बात. अभी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग सेगमेंट्स है हमारे पास. So first one is called rapid fire.
Wow.
Self explanatory. I'll give you a word. तुरंत आपको रिस्पॉन्स देना without thinking.
सोचना तो
Much.
यार.
तो रैपिड फायर कैसे होगा? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Smartphones.
Infinix.
Infinix.
Smartphones.
Very easy. Competition.
None.
Tech reviewers.
Interesting.
Tech YouTubers.
Very interesting.
AI.
Very lot of utility.
Okay. OpenAI.
Lot of opportunities.
Mobile gaming.
The next big thing.
Indian consumers.
Very demanding.
All right. Very nicely done. एक क्वेश्चन में आप थोड़ा फंसे जो पॉज लिया बट rest is okay. Good performance. I'll give you 9.5 out of 10.
Thank you.
नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट इज कॉल्ड दिस और दैट. तो मैं आपको दो ऑप्शन दूंगा, थोड़े से एक लॉजिक के साथ आपको पिक करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल टी और कॉफी, व्हाट डू यू प्रेफर? ओके, इतने सिंपल नहीं होंगे लेकिन
Okay.
Okay.
I'll try.
Let's start. Performance और कैमरा, what is more important?
Performance.
Fast charging or bigger battery, what would Anish prefer?
Fast charging.
MacBook or Windows laptop, which is better?
Windows I use.
Snapdragon or MediaTek, more reliable?
Both.
GT phones or GT cars, what's cool?
GT phones.
Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma, your pick.
Virat Kohli.
Just random questions in between. Earphones or TWS, what is more convenient?
TWS is more convenient, but I think earphones are better.
Regular phone or foldable phone, again what would you prefer?
I use regular phone more than foldable.
Mobile gaming or console gaming?
I play real games, so I'm a badminton or cricket. That's something which
Oh,
I do regularly.
Then you should play cricket sometime.
Absolutely, but between the two, I still think mobile gaming is going to go big.
BGMI or Call of Duty?
Since I don't play, I'll say BGMI is more famous.
Okay, badminton or cricket?
My badminton film.
Badminton. Okay, nice. So thank you so much for your time. You were very, very kind with your time and your answers. I'm really looking forward to see this phone, what it does to the Indian market. Hopefully ये technology थोड़ा pick हो, कुछ और इस तरह के innovations आए. And all the best for the rest of your plans.
Thank you so much. I think we also want consumers to love these kind of innovations because that gives us a lot of confidence in what we do next.
Yeah.
And one thing which we do, we will continue to innovate.
Thank you.
Thank you.